what's going on? Y'all already know we're gonna get straight to the point. My name is Misha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you another weight loss meal prep that I've been doing for myself. So let's get into it. These are all the ingredients that you'll need. They'll also be in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. So first we're gonna work on the meatloaf, and we need to prep for that. So I chopped up about 3 very large shallots, or if yours are really tiny, you need to use like 4 or 5. And I'm basically going to caramelize them. I don't want to add too much salt here or seasoning because, you know, we're really going to season the meatloaf. So I'm going to saute down the shallots on low heat in my garlic oil until it caramelizes. And yeah, so this is what it looks like after 10 minutes. It is going to take some time. It takes about 20 minutes or so. And while that's going, I'm going to blanch my cauliflower in my chicken broth, but you can use water and just make sure you salt it. Using chicken broth or chicken stock or vegetable broth definitely add more flavor to the cauliflower. So this is why I basically do it. So after about 15-20 minutes, this is what the shallots look like. And now I'm going to add a whole bunch of garlic to it. Saute it down another 3 minutes and then put it to the side. And now we're going to mix everything together. So I have both packs of my ground turkey here, which is 2 pounds. I added my eggs. If you don't have spicy girl and it's lit lemon pepper in your house, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, the link will be below. So yeah, you want to season this up really well and liberally. And then you're going to add the shallot and garlic mixture. Do not leave this out. It is mandatory, and it was so good down in here in this meatloaf. I also added some breadcrumbs and some fresh thyme. So after I mixed it up, this is how it looks. You can see the shallots all up and through and throughout there. It smells really good and it looks great. So now I'm just going to put it on my pan. Don't talk about my pan, y'all. I forgot to get a pan for the meatloaf. So I put it in this giant skillet, and this is how it looks. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven. Now in the same exact skillet that we did the caramelized shallots and garlic, you're going to add some butter and heavy whipping cream. Now I'm going to basically be working on the cheese sauce for the cauliflower, because if you didn't see by now, we're making cauliflower mac and cheese, quote. But yeah, I like this this option because it's lighter than actually using pasta, and it's also keto. So make sure you guys give this a try. Season it how you want. I did use spicy girl and a little chicken bouillon powder. I didn't want to do too much salt. Again, you have to add cheese down in here, so just be careful. This is all the cheese I'll be using, all 3 of them, just a little out of all 3 bags. But you can use the cheese you prefer, whatever is on sale. Okay, they were on sale, so I got them. And that's it. So you want to add about a 1/4 cup of all 3 and mix it up, and that's it. Y'all see this cheese, baby? So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna cut the stove off. Remember guys, don't boil your cheese sauce. Once you add the cheese and it starts to melt, cut the heat off, and then just keep mixing and your cheese will melt. This is how it looks going on top of this cauliflower. Y'all, first of all, let me not even go there. But yeah, pour your cheese sauce all over your cauliflower, and then you're going to mix it up really well. Get the cheese every single place. Also tip, make sure you drain your cauliflower really well. Mine was just sitting in a strainer for like 2 or 3 minutes just to get the water out. And then now you're going to top it with a little bit of cheese. As you can see, I'm not going to smother it in cheese on top. The sauce is cheesy enough. And then I'm going to sprinkle some spicy girl, and that's it. Pop it in the oven. So this is the meatloaf fresh out. Look how good this look, y'all. It doesn't stop me in my tracks. It doesn't stop me in my tracks, y'all. But once I took this out, then I added the macaroni and cheese in. I think that y'all deserve a close-up, so here y'all go. Look at this. You can make this at home. Do you know that? All right. So this is how it looks after about 15 minutes in the oven. And voila, it's done. All right, so let me address the elephant in the room. I know a few people are going to be like, why didn't she make a sauce? That needs a sauce. It didn't. It was super juicy. As you can see, even the fat in the pan done set because it's been sitting and chilling for so long. Now, after this baked up, I let it sit on top of the stove covered for like 2 hours so all the juices can redistribute. It is not dry by any means. And also remember, I am in the process of trying to get this weight off. So, anywhere where I could skimp on fat and extra calories, I am. However, you already know it's optional. You want barbecue sauce on here? Throw it on there. You want ketchup? Throw it on there. You want hoisin sauce? Throw it on there. You want to make an Asian teriyaki? Throw it on there. You good to go. But I didn't want sauce, so we didn't use sauce today. So now I'm just going to put everything together. Look how good that cauliflower, y'all. I can't. I'm looking forward to this week. But yeah, this is how it all looks. I'm going to put it together and then we're going to come back. All right, so this is how everything looks. This week's fruit will be raspberries, pears, and bananas. The bananas are actually in the back. I have my yogurt bowl. You already know I showed you guys how to make this yogurt mixture a couple videos back, but I'll make sure I link it below. And so I have the yogurt ready to go with the granola and the chia seeds, and that is what I will eat to break my fast. For lunch, it's going to be tuna wraps. I know people are not into these tuna things, but they're good for me, good enough for me. And I'm just going to put it in these lettuce wraps and eat some fruit, and that's lunch. I keep it light. Like I said, I intermittent fast anyway. Sometimes I only eat 2 meals a day because I'm not hungry. So, and this is the meatloaf and the cauliflower mac. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all's support. Let me know if y'all want me to keep going, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.